On the physiological significance of the channel changes, the pericardium channel has no areas of unique significance for observation, and there are no special considerations for palpating the pulse along the pericardium channel. So let's explore palpating the channel, pressing the points, and feeling the body surface. Pain in the area between pericardium 7 and pericardium 6, often sharp and distended, may indicate heat from constraint in the upper burner and often corresponds to such symptoms as irritability, insomnia, and or headaches. There may also be graininess or parang sandy, mabobohangin, in this area where there are stomach problems, the yin wave vessel type problems with internal organ nourishment, as pericardium 6 is also the master point of the yin wave channel. Tenderness or pain around pericardium 5 often coincides with chest pain or distension around CV12 that can also lead to irritability or restlessness. This is considered to be stagnation of phlegm. In fact, many psychological conditions will coincide with palpable changes in this area, especially when the pressure of life are the cause. This point is often used in treatment. The area rarely has nodules, but instead may show tenderness or a change in the quality of the subcutaneous fascia that involves a sense of crunchiness. The area around and above pericardium 4 will be often tight or inflexible when there is blood stasis in the collateral vessels of the pericardium. This often involves problems with circulation of blood to the heart organ. In more severe cases, there may even be a deep hard nodule in the area. If there is only a general swelling and or thickening of the fascia, it is easier to treat. Deep, hard nodules indicate a more serious condition, which is often unresponsive to treatment with acupuncture and herbs. Pain or hard nodules around PC3 often indicates phlegm or blood stasis in the throat or mediastinum. This is often accompanied by chest discomfort. If the nodule is quite hard, this may indicate the presence of growth or other physical changes in the throat. So in summary, if there is tenderness in pericardium 5 area, there is Juin stasis leading to irritability and restlessness. If there is pain, it's an indication that there is phlegm stasis, which could lead to psychological complaints. If hard nodules can be palpated in the pericardium 3, this would indicate phlegm or blood stasis in throat or mediastinum, chest, and also chest discomfort. If there is pain, there's Juin heat causing inflammation in the throat. Sharp pain in the pericardium 7 and pericardium 6 area indicates excess heat trapped in the upper burner or the heart and the lungs. Grainy sensation here would indicate yin wave vessel not nourishing organs, and we have stomach complaints. Tenderness in pericardium 4 would indicate chistasis affecting the chest. If there are hard nodules, it could mean there are problems with circulation in the blood to the heart organ. If there is tightness or thickness, it could mean chronic Julian type emotional condition or more serious heart vasculature condition.